Welcome, today I'll show you how to change icon shape into a Realme GT Neo 3. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon changer application, this one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Then need close ads. And now from the list choose your application. Maybe TikTok will be nice. So choose our application and now from the library choose your new icon. Maybe here something. Maybe this one like camera. So and for saving this new icon our TikTok, tap OK button in the top right corner and wait a second for generating new icon. Sometimes need close maybe a few times. Close ads and now tap add button to home screen. We got success message, so go to our home screen and here we got our new TikTok icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.